Hello everyone, I am Mr. Lu, the General Manager of Changsha Fintech, which was founded in 2009. We provide fintech materials to customers worldwide more than 40 years, such as short blasting and short peeling, grinding beads, abrasive material, and so on. Our business philosophy is customer focus, solving problems and creating values. At the same time, we actively invest in research and cooperate with the universities. Looking forward to cooperating with you for mutual benefit.
There are 3 departments working in this office, including 8 people in the business department, 3 in the technology department, and 4 in the operations department. This is the conference room where we often hold seminar meetings, learning, and training events. We read together here every morning and hold birthday parties for our colleagues. We can see this factory is constituted of 3 parts: office building, producing workshop, and the inventory room. Let's check how the blasting media made out. The production workshop is divided into raw material area, electric fusion area, crushing and shaping area, washing area, drying area, and screening area. Each process has strict quality testing standards and professional quality inspectors to control the quality of products and provide customers with high-quality products. Finally, the products will be packed after being tested. We are divided into barrel and bag packaging. This is our warehouse. We can see there are filled various products. We have enough stock for all regular model. Welcome to visit our company and discuss cooperation. Huitai zirconia silicate beads are mainly used in sandblasting and the shot blasting process for surface finishing and surface pretreatment of various metal processing parts and products. It can be used for metal surface strengthening of precision casting mechanical parts such as engines and gears to eliminate internal stress. Huitai ceramic beads with high efficiency, good surface treatment effect. It can be repeatedly recycled more times. Reduce energy consumption and costs. Less dust. Improve the working environment, etc. Our products offer superior performance in a wide range of applications. We are committed to quality, customization, competitive pricing. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help with your abrasive material needs.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.